My name's Iain Kerr. I work for the Paper Manufacturers Association of South Africa. The Paper Manufacturers Association represents the big the paper manufacturing companies, which includes companies like Mondi, Sappi, Impact, Kimberly-Clark, and all the smaller role players like Gayatri, who have just bought the mill in the Cape from Sappi. We have a significant education program. I'm based at the University of KZN, and I lecture to students, fourth year chemical engineering students who are studying in their fourth year of chemical engineering. The subjects that I offer are pulping technology and paper making technology.
So what is exciting about making paper? What is exciting about the industry? Why should anybody get involved?
Well, for a chemical engineer, what's really exciting is that there's so many different processes. If you go to a refinery, for example, all they're doing mainly is distillation. In the paper industry, there's a range of different chemical processes, from boilers to burning of liquors, to evaporator plants, to the paper machine itself, which is a chemical process as well. So the chemical engineer gets wide exposure to all these different processes in the paper industry.
Now, there's obviously been a decline in the paper use since digital age. How significant is that? And is it a huge influence on your industry?
There has been a significant impact, especially overseas, on the reading of newspapers. People get their news on their smartphones now, they get them on their laptops. So there has been a big decline in reading of newspapers, but in South Africa we haven't seen that. People are still reading newspapers. I think there has been a decrease also in glossy magazines, coated art papers, the use of coated art paper. But there's still significant growth in packaging papers, because to export and import products you need packaging. So there's still a lot of scope for that. In addition to that, we make a lot of dissolving pulp, which goes into textile manufacture. So the industry is moving away from only printing and writing grades, going into pulp that's used for other applications other than paper.
Diversifying, right? Yeah. Thank you so much, Iain. Thanks a lot.
Okay.
Thanks a lot. Yeah, that's great.